We're going to talk about how to make good savings decision, and I am going to be telling you 8 things I think you could do that could better your good savings decision. There are people who make a lot of money at one point in their life, and at another point in their life, they are now back to square one. I don't want you to fall into that category. So therefore, I'm going to be teaching you 8 things I think you could do to better your savings and make better saving decisions so that you wouldn't be that person that used to have all that money and all of a sudden you do not have money again. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen Emma Akudo, and I'm very glad to have you drop by my channel. If this is your first time, if you're already a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for on your notification, because probably that's how you got notified that I have posted a new video. For every new person dropping by this channel, feel free to hit on the subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you definitely will get notified when next I post another exciting video. Also, and very importantly, do well to like this video so that YouTube would be suggesting my video to more people who want to see content like this, and feel free to share it on any place you think people who would want to see content like this could see it. Now, if you're a regular subscriber to my channel, you will know that today I'm looking all moody. As not like moody technically, I'm just seeming a bit tired, right? Yes, you're correct. I'm actually tired. Like, I'm so stressed. It's been such a hectic week for me, but I still owe you this responsibility to come before this very camera and speak with you, because we have become a family in this channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make good savings decision. I think my energy is coming small. All right, so we're going to talk about how to make good savings decision, and I am going to be telling you 8 things I think you could do that could better your good savings decision. There's one thing about making money. Making money, spending money, investing money, saving money, these things are things we should be careful about, because when we are not careful about them, sometimes we make a whole lot of mistakes. There are people who make a lot of money at a certain stage in their life, and at another stage in their life, they are totally broke. There are people who make a lot of money at one point in their life, and at another point in their life, they call themselves ballers. So after balling, they are now back to square one. I don't want you to fall into that category. So therefore, I'm going to be teaching you 8 things I think you could do to better your savings and make better saving decisions so that you wouldn't be that person that used to have all that money and all of a sudden you do not have money again. Number 1 thing I think you could do is set a saving goal. I don't just want you to save money. Know what you're saving for. You understand me? I want you to either save for a house. Assuming you live in a rented apartment, you want to build your private house, save for the house. If you want to buy a new car, just know what you're saving for. I kind of think it's more like a motivation for me. Like maybe you wake up in the morning and say, I'm removing this money today, not because I have so much money, not because I want to, but because I actually owe it to myself that I must achieve my saving goal. So just have a saving goal. Have something you're actually saving for. And when you're doing that, just keep reminding yourself on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, depending on how you're saving the savings, then keep reminding yourself how important it is that you keep up with your savings. The second thing I think you could do is create a saving plan. You need to have a saving plan and pick the right tools for your saving. When you have a goal, it's just like when somebody has a goal to become a medical doctor, you should have a plan on how to get into medical school. You can't just sit in your house because it is your goal, it comes to you. No, you must actually have a process that you have in place to make it happen. It's just like when I ask some young teenagers, I say, what do you want to be in future? Somebody will say, I see myself being the richest person in the world. Okay, what's the plan? And the person looks like me like, okay, is there supposed to be a plan? Oh yes, there's supposed to be a plan, definitely. So for you to definitely have that thing going on, you should have a plan for your savings. Are you with me? So it is very, very important that you have plans for your savings when you want to save. When you're sure of the plan, make sure you follow it strictly. Do not just make a plan that you will not stick to. Don't go and plan that you'll be saving 50 naira, for instance, or maybe $50 every week, and you know you cannot meet up, and you don't have any source of income to do it. You must definitely have a source of income that is going to work. So you must have a plan, and you shouldn't make ambiguous plans that you cannot achieve. Do planning within what you can achieve, what is obtainable within your first. Okay, that's very lovely. Then again, I would want you to do this thing. There's this saving plan I saw online. They call it PG something. I don't know about it though, but you could browse it and check. Then there's this one they do in my local village. They call it Akawo. As then, like, you go and be giving your money to somebody to be holding for you daily like that though. It's very, very fun. No, I used to see my mom do it when we were growing up. As she was using it to save money. There's another one they also do. They call it Ato Achere. If you're Igbo, you know the meaning. If you're not Igbo, tell me in the comment section. Let me tell you what it means. So it's just a way of saving. These are the ways our great-grandfathers, our great-grandmothers, our grandparents, our parents used to save back in the days where there were no official banking or all those things like going to the bank to put your money and all those. And the money was actually saved. So you could imagine when somebody in the 80s was thinking about saving, how much more you in 2021 or 2022, 2023. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video. So how much more you think about saving is a lifesaver. You wouldn't know how much is important to save until you run into emergency problem. I don't wish you that anyway. But some problems are good problems. Just imagine somebody calling and saying, do you have a visa to US? I want to pay for your flight. That one is good problem. If you run into that type of problem, you need to have money, because this is the kind of problem I'm looking for. God. Woo. Please, can somebody call me and tell me if I have visa? I don't even have visa. Don't mind me. I can't go anywhere. I have a passport. Just give me money. I'm going to get visa. Then we could travel together. That's what I'm saying. As you're saving, make sure you have planning in case of emergency. All right. So the third thing I think you should know is have a saving term. You can't say you're saving forever and ever. You are not saving forever and ever. Definitely you're saving for a certain time. You might be saving for 1 month. You might be saving for 2 months. You might be saving for 5 years. You might be saving for a particular time. So when you're saving, make sure you know how long you're saving. So it won't be like you're saving indefinitely. Save for a particular time, and maybe you cut your saving depending on what you're saving for, like I said. So just know your saving goal and know your saving plan. Now know the terms of your saving. Know how long your savings is going to last. Another thing I think you could do, that should be our number 4, is make your saving automatic. If you receive salary, maybe your salary is 500,000. You could decide to save 100,000. Then you write to the bank that every month, immediately you receive your salary, they should deduct 100,000 naira and put in a particular account. So that way it's automatic. Whether you like or not, it is automatic that the money will be debited and saved for you. However it goes, the money is still yours. So myself, I'm wishing I have something that can bring big money for me so I can save more. I'm actually saving little by little. One day I'm going to bring out my pigeon hole that I used to save, one bus like that, and we're all going to see how much I've managed to save. All right, so for those who are saying, how do I even make money before I begin to save, go ahead on the description and see videos that I've made about making money, and now you could talk about saving money. And if you have not subscribed to my channel up until this moment, what are you waiting for? I know I got you with that face. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you surely will be notified when next I post a new video. Thank you. All right, so the number 15 I think you should do is create a functional budget. Don't create an impossible budget. A budget you don't even know how to achieve. A budget you don't even know how it is going to work. So just do well to create a functional budget so that your budgeting will be between what you aim, what you can save, and what you can spend. Make sure your budget is very nice. Do not just wake up and begin to spend anyhow, or maybe by chance or by luck you did a business transaction and it worked out for you, and now you're now beginning to save all. Enjoy your life, oh. This life is short, oh. As in, enjoy your life, oh. Obviously, I'm enjoying mine. Don't mind me. I used to be fatter than this or slimmer than this. Which one is even the right English? You know the one I'm trying to say. So I enjoy my life. That's what I want to say. So enjoy your life as you're saving. Don't go and save everything and you not enjoy yourself. Enjoy and save. Everything goes together for good. For them that lost Mama E and those that are subscribed to our channel. All right. So we talk about the number 16. Make your saving your top priority. As you prioritize things that you choose to do, make sure that your savings is a top priority too. So do not just save anyhow. Make sure that it is a priority to you that you save. Place your things in priorities. Like you're saving, for instance, now I can't be saving for a car, and now I want to go and buy iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's what I want to buy you. Don't mind me. This is actually May in 2021. They have not even launched it. That's where my eyes are. But it's just going to be very foolish of me to use the money I was saving to use and pay my house rent to go and buy that phone. Will I be homeless? So when you're doing your savings, make sure you set your priorities right. Do not just save anyhow. Save and still keep your priorities intact. Number 7 thing I think you should do is record your expenses. As you're spending money, just track your expenses for me. Just help me check what you're spending so much money on. Let me know whether you're saving. If you have ever recorded your expenses ever, just write for me in the comment section and tell me what it turned out to be. So just do well to record your expenses, record the money you spend on a daily basis, record how much you're spending and what you're spending on, so that you'll be able to understand where you're spending the most money you're spending on, so that you could watch it if what you're spending on doesn't really what you're spending. Now, the last thing I think you should do is... Oh God, I can't just afford to get out of your screen. I want you to be seeing my beautiful dancing face. All right, fine. The last thing I want you to do for me is make sure you watch your spending. Just watch your spending, okay? As you're saving and you're spending, watch your spending so that you could save more, all right? And I want to be very, very glad to mention to you that there are some things I would want you to read. There are some books I'm going to be leaving you a link to that you could read on saving, that you would like to, that I would like to mention their names and all that, but you know how it is. I do not want any copyright misunderstanding. So there are some books I'm going to leave for you in the description that you could read that would help you save better, okay? One thing you would not forget is that Queen Emma loves you, and I work very hard to put out this content originally just to make sure I give you the content that is worth your time. If you've watched me to this time of this video and you have not subscribed, what is it? Why have you not subscribed? All right, Jesus, I'm saying subscribe like it's a song, and I joke about it. Don't mind me. It's just my way of trying to say support my work, support my channel, subscribe to my channel. It's free. Subscribe to my channel and do well to share my content with everybody who loves you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. I promise you it's going to be exciting.